Hello friends, you might encounter an error pop-up showing SPUpDateServer.exe System error when trying to open Outlook or other applications. This issue occurs because of a third-party software related to EdgeViz or Hikvision. EdgeViz and Hikvision are CCTV camera systems. These systems have dedicated software and they create conflict with the current version of Windows 11. So you will have to uninstall the home security software. If you can afford to uninstall the software, then follow those steps. Right click on Start, select Installed Apps, find EdgeViz or Hikvision in the list. Here is EdgeViz Studio. For the software, click on three dots and select Uninstall. Again click on Uninstall, click on Yes. Some elements could not be removed. These can be removed manually. Then restart your computer. If the issue still occurs, we would recommend uninstalling the software using Revo Uninstaller. This software removes the leftover of the installed apps. To uninstall using Revo Uninstaller, download and install the Revo Uninstaller from the internet and launch the program. Find EdgeViz or Hikvision, whichever is installed. Here is EdgeViz Studio. Right click on this software and select Uninstall. Click on Continue. Click on Yes. OK. Then click on Scan. Here are the leftovers in the registry. Click on Delete. Again click on Delete for the leftover files and folders. Click on Finish. Close the program and restart your computer. Then check if the issue is fixed. If you can't uninstall the software for security reasons, then you can check if the latest Windows Update version is installed on your computer. To check, click on Start, go to Settings, click on Windows Update and click on Check for updates. If any update is downloaded, restart your computer and install the update. In case the latest Windows version is installed and no new update is being shown here, then you can try to uninstall and reinstall the software. Uninstall using Revo Uninstaller as we demonstrated it. After uninstalling, restart your computer. After restarting, go to the official website of EdgeViz or Hikvision and download the latest version of the program and install it. The issue should be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.